Welcome to Life Skills. Today I'm going to show you how I make a super quick and easy version of a traditional Italian dish, pasta fagioli, or as my grandmother always called it, pasta fazul. Pasta fagioli means pasta with beans, and it's really that simple. You can put whatever twist on it that you like, so feel free to experiment. Every family's version of this dish is different. I begin the way many Italian dishes begin, with some extra virgin olive oil and diced onion. We just want to sweat that for a few minutes until the onions are a little translucent and begin to get a little color. I don't like to overdo it and caramelize the onions. Yes, I've actually been to Croatia. It's a beautiful country with lovely people. Perhaps a story for another video. Next, we want to add the beans. You can use any white beans that you like. I like to mix more than one kind of beans. Today I have Great Northern and cannelloni beans. And traditionally, some of the beans are always chichi, more commonly known as garbanzo beans or chickpeas. If you've watched my crockpot chili episode, you know that I like to squish my beans with my hand as I add them to thicken the dish. It's messy, but this is the way my grandmother taught me. It's the easiest way, and you can really control how many beans you crush. Canned beans make this recipe quick and easy. You could use dried beans, but they take an incredibly long time to get soft enough and taste exactly the same at the end. For seasoning, I like to use dill and hot pepper sauce. You may use whatever herbs and spices that you like. There are no rules for this. Bring the beans up to a gentle boil, then reduce to a slow simmer and cover. The beans are essentially finished at this point because canned beans are already cooked, but you can let them simmer until you're ready to make the pasta. I like to use a smaller soup pasta like ditalini or shells for this, as it is eaten with a spoon. Follow the package directions to cook the pasta al dente. When the pasta is finished cooking, drain it, but reserve some of the pasta water to use later to adjust the thickness of the pasta fazool. Add cooked pasta to the beans until you get the ratio of beans to pasta that you like. When you are ready to serve, if it is a little too thick for your taste, add some of the reserved pasta water and serve. Grate some hard Italian cheese like Pecorino Romano or Parmesan on top, and you can add more hot sauce if you like things spicy. Warm bread makes a perfect accompaniment. I had garlic flatbread today.